Hello guys, today I'm gonna actually show you how you can easily convert any Figma design into Webflow with the help of HTFlow. So I have a testimonial section here. So this is what I'm gonna actually convert it to Webflow without actually designing it in Webflow. Okay, so this background, I have this background and this is the section. So I'm gonna actually turn off this background, and then I'm gonna go back to this dev tool, and then if I click on this plugin, this is the plugin Figma to code. So if I click here, I have this HTML selected, and I can actually turn on or turn off the layer name. So I'm gonna turn on the layer name. So it's gonna give me a class, but we're gonna rename this one. So I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna come back to here in HTFlow, and then I'm gonna actually paste it here. Then I'm gonna click on copy button. This is copied. So I'm gonna just come back here and I'm gonna paste it here with Command V. So right now, as you can see, this is the broken things. It's because of the style that came from the Figma. So we can actually fix it easily. So I'm gonna go back here, and then this one I'm gonna give it a name like section dash testimonial. Okay, and you have to remove this display, and then this width also shouldn't be here, and then this height, we don't need that one. This padding, we're gonna remove that one. So okay, and then this is the container actually. Okay, so as you can see, this is the container. So this container we're not going to use. So what container we are going to use is the client first. So container dash lars. Okay, so I'm gonna give it the name, and then I'm gonna wrap it wrap the container with a div and give it a name like padding dash global, and then I'm gonna give it a section like padding section large. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna fix all of those things. So let's first make this one as a section intro or something like that. So section heading wrapper, or maybe wrapper, you can actually use okay, section intro wrapper. Okay, so you can use that one with max width and things like that, but I'm not gonna do that. You can easily do that with client first and things like that. So as you can see, it has the width, so that shouldn't be here. So you have to just copy that one and then paste it here, and then you can remove that one. You can also remove that one, and as you can see, this is something like that. So we are gonna actually remove that one, this position relative, and then this is going to be kind of like section heading, section dash heading. Okay, and this is going to be section tagline, section dash tagline, or something like that. And as you can see, this is the width, so that width should come here, and that should be removed. And this one, you must need to remove this, and the position should be static. Okay, so this one, we have this one. So since we have the max width, we want to make it center, so we can easily do that like this. And then this one should be also removed, and that should be also removed. Okay, so since we have the max width here, so I can actually center it, and this one also we can make it center. Maybe this one I can actually make a little bit more, kind of like that. Okay, let it be here. So what I'm gonna do, so this part I'm gonna make it like, okay, testimonial grid, testimonial dash grid. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a grid, So then this one is going to be like testimonial card, or maybe card, testimonial dash card. Okay, so this width, we don't need that one, it came from the Figma. And these two things, we are gonna remove that one. Okay, so first of all, so this is okay, and then this should be like testimonial icon wrapper, icon dash, I'm trying to be faster as much as I can. So now if you go back here, so this is the star, right? So I'm gonna actually copy this one as SVG, and if I come back here in HTFlow and click on here, so this is going to be pasted here by Command V, and as you can see, this is actually the code. Okay, so this part I'm gonna remove. So all of those things that should be removed, and that should be like testimonial icon, testimonial dash icon. Okay, and this is the actual testimonial text. So text, sorry, testimonial dash text. Okay, perfect. So this one is going to be like testimonial bottom, testimonial card bottom maybe. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually rename also this one testimonial author image, author dash image, and then author meta, author dash meta, and that should be also removed from here, all of the, okay, display below. So that should be author name. So I'm gonna give it a like name, so I'm trying to be faster. So this is going to be like position. Okay, so now let's come back here and make it horizontal. And if I come back here, as you can see, it has like 24 pixel, the padding or the gap. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually put it like 24, that means 24/16 rem, so kind of like that. So this is going to be like 1 rem, I know that. So this is 1 rem, so as you can see, 1 rem. And then if I come back here, so this is here, 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 and here. Okay, so this picture we can change it. So I uploaded that picture before, so I'm gonna now copy this one, so this card like 3 times. So copy, okay, my bad. So paste, okay. So the bottom, this gap is like 69. So what we can do, we can actually target this grid and put it like 69 top margin and bottom margin, and that's it. And this one here is the problem, so let's make it like bottom primary. Okay, so maybe we can actually make it like inline block or something like that, and primary button, primary dash button. Okay, so then that should be like button text, button dash text. And then if you go back here, so this is the button, right? And this button has an icon, so this icon we can actually copy that one, and we can come back to HTFlow again and paste it, and then copy that one. And then I'm gonna actually remove this one. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so that should be okay. So what I can do, I can actually do like control shift control option Z, and let's put it like button text wrapper, text wrapper. Okay, so that should be like flex, and then that should be like that, and this is going to be here, and definitely that should be button icon. button dash icon. Okay, so now let's go back here and let's give it like one rem. Okay, and then this button we can actually wrap it with a div. So Control Shift Z, and then text align center. Okay, so now let me actually go back here, button primary and things like that, so we can actually give it more padding or things like that. And if I come back here, and we need this color, right? So if I go back here, so this is the color actually. So I'm not pretty sure if it is copied or not, but we can actually check it out, or we can, yeah, this is here. So now if you want to actually have it padding, I mean gap, so you can easily do that. Let's say padding small, so that's FinSuite client first things, and that's it. You can easily make it responsive. Okay, so if you come back here, so right now this is not responsive. We need to actually figure it out what happened with that that one. So there is definitely this one, so that shouldn't be here. Okay, and if I go back here, as you can see, this is responsive, and if I click it here and make it like 2 or maybe 1, and then give it a max width like 500, and let's make it center, I don't know, but you can play with that one. And if you go back here, so this is responsive, and it's very easy to do that with HTFlow. And with this one, you can actually write any HTML, and that could be converted to Webflow. So you can even extract any existing HTML site to convert it into Webflow. So I'm gonna actually go here. One last thing is there, so I'm gonna turn off this one, and as you can see, this is the background, right? So we initially turn this off. So this background, I'm gonna actually maybe PNG, I'm not pretty sure, but let's do that. So I think I have uploaded that background, or I'm not sure. So come back here, and then I'm gonna actually upload this here, and then make it cover, and then like that. So this is the cool thing that you have seen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and check out the htflow.com, and we are still working on it to improve it. So I know there might have little bit issues, so we are trying to solve it as well. So let me know your feedback, and thank you so much.